Hi all, in this video we are going to learn about mole concept. So what is mole? Mole is basically a counting unit which is used for the counting of entities at atomic, subatomic and molecular level. So how we are going to count the entities at so small level? Basically, first of all we will find the number of moles of a substance. Then we will multiply it with a constant known as Avogadro's number, denoted by Na, whose value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which will give us the number of entities. Okay, now let's understand this with a simple example. We know that dozen is also a counting unit, which means grouping of 12. So if I will say that I have 1 dozen banana, then what does it mean? It simply means that I have 12 bananas. Similarly, if I will say that I have 1 dozen atoms, then what does it mean? It also means that I have 12 atoms. Similarly, we can apply this to mole. If I will say I have 1 mole banana, then what does it mean? It means that I have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 bananas. So since we are using mole for the atoms and molecules, so if I will say that I have 1 mole atoms, then what does it mean? It also means same, that is I have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Similarly, mole can be used with any of the atomic, subatomic or molecular species. Okay, now let's see how we are going to find the number of moles of a substance. Let's say I am denoting moles with N. So there are 3 methods by which we can find moles of a substance. First one, by using the mass of the substance. Second one, by using the volume of the substance. And third one, by using the number of entities of the substance. So if I say how to find moles of a substance using mass, we will simply divide the given mass of the substance with its molar mass, which will give us the number of moles of the substance. Using volume, we can also find the number of moles by dividing the given volume of the substance with molar volume. And using number of entities also, we can find the number of moles by simply dividing the given number of entities with the Avogadro number. Here entities means atoms, molecules or subatomic particles. One thing which you should note here is the method of finding mole using the volume is mainly used for the gaseous species. To know more about molar volume, click on the link given in the description.